Dig in.
I'm measuring the circumference of the tree.
Dance to your own beat. Show the world who you are.
I like pizza, and my favorite dessert is like this kind of like Rocky Road cupcake.
No matter their talents, Fort Worth Elementary School children have the opportunity to learn and grow at their own pace and in their own learning style.
Schools of choice and programs of choice enable children to follow their passion, to take some ownership in their education.
Elementary students are finding their perfect fit in a Fort Worth ISD school of choice. Como Montessori, Daggett Montessori, Alice Carlson Applied Learning Center, Riverside Applied Learning Center. Whether working outside by a gentle stream or learning to spell in concrete ways, Como Montessori students do it with confidence.
Montessori is a method and a philosophy. The method is to move the children along at an individual pace that's very respectful of children.
Children grow from students to mentors in multi-grade level classrooms where knowledge is all around them.
I get to see my friends, but mostly I like to learn new things. Can you find the letter I?
Daggett Montessori offers its students the same learning methods, challenges, and solutions. Plus an outdoor classroom that includes a greenhouse and an aquaponics system for growing produce. All Montessori-trained teachers work within a curriculum to guide and motivate students so that each child can know the joy of learning. The children of Como Montessori and Daggett Montessori learn hands-on, preparing themselves for success in life in a multicultural world. Researching as a group, discovering solutions, taking an active role. This is what you will find at Alice Carlson Applied Learning Center. This Fort Worth ISD School of Choice offers young students a real-world approach to learning in an exciting environment.
We see how many fruits, vegetables you can eat each week for each person.
By taking advantage of community connections, such as the Mayor of Fort Worth's Fitness Challenge, students learn firsthand how to live a healthier lifestyle.
The school is a joyful place where kids are doing work that feels important to them, that they do purposefully.
And you will see it can be done.
How do you separate tiny shards of metal from grains of sand?
I want a pile of salt.
At Riverside Applied Learning Center, children find solutions as a team.
Whenever we learn it in a fun way.
Working together, students learn that they can have an impact on each other, on their community, and on the world.
I want to go all the way to 5th grade and go to a middle school, and then I want to stay in college.
Fort Worth ISD also offers programs of choice, learning adventures that excite and interest students at these elementary campuses. Como, Morningside, Burton Hill, PATE, HAZEL Harvey Peace, Christine C. Moss, Maud I. Logan, and J.T. Stevens. At Como Elementary, young students have a unique opportunity to express themselves in the B-Sharp music program.
B-Sharp is one where we get to play violin.
Music education is part of the school day, but it's the after-school activities that fine-tune this program and set it apart. B-Sharp students receive 10 hours of free music lessons from professionals. There are field trips to enjoy and performances in the Como and Fort Worth music community. Morningside Elementary's college readiness and project-based learning program focuses on real-life applications of earth, life, and physical sciences.
It comes from the Amazon River.
Students investigate and problem-solve in the school's lush botanical garden.
I can grow something like this one day.
How is math?
Math is awesome, and Spanish is muy bueno. The Spanish Immersion Academy is specifically for students who don't speak Spanish. By the time they leave Morningside, they'll be bilingual and biliterate. Plus, they'll have a new understanding of Spanish-speaking cultures.
¿Qué pasa con la tumba?
Say hola to Burton Hill Elementary, where Spanish immersion is also offered as a program of choice.
Pingüino, bicicleta, carro.
What's not to like? Learning Spanish today will give students preference in placement at the World Languages Institute and later in the workplace.
Someone gave Spanish immersion.
When did you realize that you wanted to be a leader?
Good communication goes hand in hand with science, technology, engineering, and math at PATE's STEM Leadership Academy.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Yes. Why does it make the team work?
Well, because it makes things go faster.
Students work in teams and learn to persevere, skills to help them reach new heights.
1, 2, 3.
Accelerated learning opportunities in this program prepare students for an exciting education journey.
Stop.
Tastes like lime.
It smells like a flower.
I see a fish.
Students use their 5 senses to gather information in the HAZEL Harvey Peace Engineering and Technology Program of Choice.
Why is the bird a solid?
Because the atoms are stuck together.
Students think outside the box to find solutions.
It's atoms in there, but it's all around.
And all around these students is an environment for building skills and learning to lead.
We measure in grams.
Linear thinking,
Let's just double check if it's the same. Nope, it is not the same.
logical thinking,
So we've got a different mass, right? What do you think the difference is between our containers?
and structural thinking. Students do it all at Christine C. Moss Elementary, where the STEM Technology Engineering program challenges and expands young minds.
So what do you think the difference is, guys?
Soda. Vinegar. Maybe one is clean water, maybe one is salt water.
Learning to think critically today prepares them for workforce leadership tomorrow.
I think that applied learning really allows them to develop on their own, in their own way, and not uniformity for everybody.
Taking ownership of education is top priority at the Applied Learning Center at J.T. Stevens. Children learn confidence and independence while working as members of a team. Partnerships with the community expand the classroom into a field of opportunity.
What could we write on top of each flower to show that we have hate?
It's hands-on, real-world learning
So let's start off our class meeting with compliments.
that also builds social skills.
Donovan was being respectful. Very good. That's an excellent quality, Donovan.
Spaghetti and marshmallows become fun learning tools at the Maud I. Logan University for Robotics and Engineering, or LURE for short. It's where students investigate science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through hands-on learning projects. The spaghetti? Well, that's the sides of a house. The marshmallows mark the corners or points of intersection. And while this may look like a crafts class, these students are learning the basics of robotics.
We're going to work with the robotic hand, and we're going to make our own. So they mirror what we do. But are they human like us?
No, they don't have a heart.
They don't have a heart. They're not living.
These students do have a heart for finding solutions and designing future success. There's a Fort Worth ISD elementary school or program of choice that's just right for your child. Learn more at fwisd.org/choice or call 817-814-2580. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all our social media.